And welcome to another Twist Fashion DIY tutorial. Today we're going to be making a felt pillbox with a freeform Sinamay piece on top. So what you will need is a felt base, and I've stitched on a metal hairband. I'm going to be using hair straighteners for quickness, or if you have an iron, scissors, needle and thread, and I like to use crocodile clips to hold it all in place. So, and also, of course, a piece of Sinamay, measuring 29 approximately, because it can be any size really, this is actually 29 by 29. And how much does it measure? From point to 20 inches, which is 51 centimetres. And 29 inches is 74 centimetres. Right, so I'm going to fold over the edges. Whilst I do that, I'm going to plug in my hair straighteners. It's a bit of a hack, to be honest. You can also use that for bias binding. Makes it a lot simpler. Just try not to burn the carpet. So this is obviously a sealed edge, so it's up to you if you fold that over or not. If you'd like to see other millinery tutorials, please check out my other videos. There are quite a few, so if you'd like to just subscribe, then they will come up on your For You page. Also, if you like this video, it will know that that's what you're interested in. YouTube will know, and you'll see more of that type of content. So I've not made a hat tutorial for a while, because I've actually been pretty busy with orders, which is good. But then my tutorial videos fall behind. I do hope you like them and they're useful. Also, with hair straighteners you don't need an ironing board, obviously, but it does the job. Just holds this edge in place. Yeah. Let's see, fold it again. The heat, I'm just ironing out any kinks with the side. Voila, that can be turned off now. Right, now you can start shaping it. So the shape I'm going to go for is I folded the point upwards, it's basically folding in half, concertina it from the centre, then the back bit goes in there, concertina this bit up, and then you're left with the nice point. So I'm going to hold that in place with some clips. And then sew that on there. I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So this is the finished item. Do you think I should add some feathers or some flowers here? If so, what colours? Or just leave it like this? Yes. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to see more and like the video so I know that you're enjoying it, or leave a comment what I could improve on. Okay, see you later, bye.